Hey, it's Jared back with you, and listen, today's video I'm going to give you guys some gems today, some gems on how I made on YouTube without even monetizing my channel. Now, this tip is really going to help people who are involved in real estate, but I feel like it can work for anything, but I'm just going to talk about what I know. I've done it in real estate. So people who are agents or developers or leasing agents or wholesalers or brokers or anything like that in the real estate space, this is definitely going to help you out, but it's good tip and trick and tool and resource for people who don't do those fields, whatever you're selling. So let me tell a little story. It's story time. So I went to I went to school in Philadelphia, Temple University. Shout out to Temple. Shout out to North Philadelphia. And I lived in North Philadelphia, and that was a time where basically the area was changing. It was changing from like they call them locals, but residents of North Philadelphia. It was changing from residents to more students, people associated with the school, because the school was expanding. So during that time, there was just a huge influx of people who started buying a property. You know, everyone was buying a property. Developers were coming in, building all this stuff. So the developers, the landlords, didn't have any type of good connection to get with the students. So basically what I was doing is I was helping landlords get more visibility to their properties. And how was I doing that? I was doing that using YouTube. Super powerful tool. I think people don't even understand how powerful social media is. But oh, and before I go any further, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can get more videos. You can get updates on when I drop new content and things like that. So you want to hit the subscribe button right now. So anyway, so basically I would get landlords either using online. I would look up for I'll look up people who are renting their houses for, or I'd walk around and look up for rent signs. So I'll tell the owner like, hey, I can get more showings to your property. How you do that? When this is what I would teach them. So basically I would come in with my handy dandy camera phone. That's all you need is a camera phone and a computer. Camera phone, and you take a whole video walkthrough of the property. And especially if you have an iPhone 11, like newer phones, they have phenomenal cameras, way better than the cameras I was using back then. So you take a full video walkthrough of the property, then you're gonna put it on YouTube. So the thing is, why this saves so much time is because when people look at houses online, the pictures don't really do places justice, right? So someone might come to their property and then look and then see like the pictures are a little different, and see like the rooms are maybe smaller or something like that, something they don't like, and it's just wasting people's time because they see a property, they don't like it, you move forward. But when you have video tours, they're a much more accurate depiction of how the place actually looks. So if the person actually watches a video and then they show up, they're much more likely to rent the property out or buy the property because they've already kind of seen it. They pretty much know exactly what they're getting, and it gives them the ability they can watch it over and over and over again. So this saves everyone time. You know, some of the landlords, they had to drive across town sometimes, and people would no show, or people would just not like the property, and that wastes time, right? You never can get your time back. So I'll put a video up on YouTube, and then so then I would get traffic from Craigslist. I would get traffic from Craigslist, and then I would send people to the video. They watch the video, they come and see the house, and this worked like phenomenally. So I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. And first I'm going to start off with how to shoot the video. So I'm going to open up, and this is the editing software I use. This is all you need. If you have a Mac, you can use iMovie. And I'm actually condo shopping out here in Miami, so I have some like just footage I can use as far as just for example purposes. All right, so I'm gonna just bring up my footage here, import. Okay, so we have our footage pulled up in iMovie, and again, you always want to record this way. Oh, there's my logo. Isn't that cool? But you always want to record this way. Get it in like the cinema mode. So it's very simple to record. So here's the apartment, and you got nice window. So get all the selling points, get everything that's cool about the place. Make it look nice. Make sure it's like clean. Publix and Whole Foods, everything. Oh, there goes me talking. Oh, and what I would like to do is like I'd attach the audio and I'll make like some cool music. I'll get to that in a second. But yeah, it's really simple to record this. If you recorded a camera on a camera phone before, you know how simple it is. So just get like, you know, all the angles and all that stuff. Full walk through the place, right? So so yeah, we have that, and then it's really simple to get music. So you always want to use music that is license free, copyright free, and this is how easy it is to get license free music. You can go on YouTube. And guys, if there's so many resources online that if you simply use the resources that are online, you can really learn how to do anything and everything, seriously. So just be more resourceful as far as YouTube goes. So then you want to type in like license free music. So the reason why you want to do this is because you don't want to use music that's owned by somebody else, because YouTube's going to just block you. So you don't want to add like, I don't know, Taylor Swift or something like that, or, you know, Cardi B or something like that. Well, obviously, you probably don't want to put Cardi B on your real estate rental tour ad, because she's a little risque. But okay, so we'll use this one for example. We'll use this motivational music. Royalty free, that's what it's called. Royalty free, license free, commercial free. All right, we'll use that one for example purposes. And then, so what you want to do is you want to copy the link to the music that you want to use, and then open up a new tab, and let's type in, it's usually like one of the first websites when you go like download music from YouTube. All right, and you can use this one right here. This is the one I use. And then you just go ahead and paste the link in here, accept the terms of service after you read them, and then click on convert. So I've already did this before, so I downloaded it already, so I'm just gonna come here. All right, so this is what it, let me make it like, this is a long link, so I'll need link to make this smaller, and split clip. Boom. Okay, so check it. Oh, and it's not making it super high. Let's go to like maybe, let's say 13, just so it's like not overbearing and just kind of small background music. So here you go. Cool, right? Let me turn up a little bit. So then the last thing I add is just we'll use some text, so people know exactly what to do if they like it. We'll use these lower thirds here. We drag it, and let's make this long. Okay. So then we want to add text, so we can text like what the address is. So this is this one is 321 Never Sleeps Boulevard, right? So then we have the address, and then the call to action, so people can know how to contact you if they like the video. So let's see, let's write, please call or text 1-800-555 Never Sleeps. Okay, boom. And you can make it like any color you want. Let's make it let's go yellow, just for example purposes. Yellow and yellow. So now you have a video of the place with a pretty accurate depiction of what the person could expect when they go and tour the place. So just imagine how more qualified the tenants, the prospective tenants are that come and see the place. Just imagine how much time this saves. I mean, I have videos that have thousands and thousands of views just doing the same exact method using iMovie. and just really showing a depiction of what the person is getting. So the last thing I actually want to go over is like, all right, now how do you get traffic to this video? How do you get people to see the video? So what I was doing back in the day, and I'm sure this will work just as well today, is I would just use Craigslist, because everyone was searching for properties on Craigslist, housing. So let's go to Craigslist, and let's go to housing, and we're gonna go to and folks, if you are not a licensed real estate professional, then please don't show the houses. This is just to give to the landlords, give the landlords the media package, and they can pay you for the media package, and you can charge anywhere from like $500 to $1,000 for this. People don't mind paying it because you can always get money back, but you can't get time back. So this is just it's extremely easy. It's a lifesaver. It's just a time saver for people. So we'll make a dummy ad. So I'm going to use my county, Miami-Dade County, housing offered, and apartment housing for rent. So we're gonna make an ad, like a fake ad, example ad. So usually I like to put something that's really compelling to get people to look at. So let's go with massive 2-bedroom apartment, won't last long. Massive. Okay, cool. And Phoenix, Arizona, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so once we have that, then now we want to put some information about the apartment: how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, maybe square footage, maybe cross street, price to move in. Price to move in. Ooh, to move in. App fees, amenities, like everything you need for anything you need that people need to know about the apartment to make it more appealing. So then I would put see the tour for yourself. I can't type today. It's yourself. And then I would paste the link to the YouTube video right here. So people would respond to my ad, and I would say, or I'd have the landlord say, yes, it's still available. Yes, it's still available. Have you seen the YouTube video? Some people say, yes, I've seen it. They want to come see it. Some people say no. Then you can copy the YouTube video link from YouTube and then paste it to them in a text, and they can take a look at it. And I just, the landlord would say, like, if you're interested, let me know. And then people would watch the video and then come and show up and sign a lease. Like, it's really that simple. So this is something that I did it with real estate. I'm sure you can do it with other products or services you might sell, but like really get on YouTube and start making content that people can watch and see what you do and see your work. Like it's like Google's the #1 search engine in the world. The second one is YouTube. So this is something that's super simple that you can do, that it doesn't take a lot of time. You can make a lot of money producing this type of content. So thanks for watching my video. If you want more videos like that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You can feel free to follow me on Instagram at Jared Never Sleeps, and leave some comments. I want to let you guys, I want to know what you guys think about these videos, what you want me to talk about, what type of stuff that you like to hear from me. But that's my time for today. As always, folks, I am Jared Never Sleeps, and remember that whatever you're doing in your life, make sure you are doing it. I'm out. Thanks.